Good morning, guys! Oh my God, it's the last day of 2024! Woo!
It's way before. I got it good morning.
I know! Tonight,
way before.
2024, yes! Oh my God!
Before.
That's right! Oh my God! Later, we're gonna count down and we're gonna welcome 2025!
Yeah!
Yay! And we can't wait for our travels in 2025!
Yeah! Mommy,
yes.
see, Harry going to Daddy. Mommy, I'll go to me.
Okay. Because I was asking them today, because Ben's gonna come back from work and bring one of them to work.
Mommy.
So who's gonna go to work with Daddy? Oh, cover your mouth. Who's gonna go to work with Daddy? Is it Raika or Holly? Raika, you wanna go to work with Daddy?
Now what got the way?
Oh, you wanna grocery with Mommy?
Mommy, how do not phone?
Pardon?
Mommy, a big boy. I'll leave you.
You're a big boy. Okay, Ata's gonna help Daddy to work and Riker's gonna help Mommy do the grocery, yeah? Okay. I thought it's gonna be all girls day. I thought you're gonna go with Daddy. Riker will go with Daddy instead. But you wanna come with the girls, yeah?
Yeah. Mommy, Riker gets dressed.
No, you get dressed after that one. Do you have breakfast? That's a big mouth. So pretty, Ai. Bye, Ai. Kiss Mama.
Bye.
Harley, can I have a kiss? Hi. And who's gonna help Mama do the grocery?
Want Mommy car.
Oh, you want Mommy's car, hey? Okay. You guys, makikipag-party pala kami tonight. So, ayan ang ating fit. Kasi nga, color of the year daw is mocha. So, lahat kami naka-mocha color, guys. So, ayan. Buti na lang meron ako nakalkal sa wardrobe kung di na ako bumili ng bago. So, anyway, I just match it with my Hermes belt. And dun kami sa bahay ng friend ko. And lahat din ng mga kasama namin nung Pasko dito. Yung Christmas party namin dito ng 22. Sila din kasama namin tonight. Normally kasi, saglit lang kami New Year. With yung kids, kailangan kong bilhan si Harley kasi wala siyang ganitong kulay. Si Ben, binilan namin sila ng pare-parehong damit. Lahat ng mga asawa namin. So, mamaya, tinatin kong mag-success yung ating bag. So, ayun. Ayun lang. I-ready ko lang yung bag ng kids. Kasi wala naman akong dadalhin. Kasi in-order namin yung mga food. So, marami tayong food mamaya. Dahil nag-subway lang kami for lunch. So, I'm really hungry now. Pero, 5:15 pa lang naman. So, alis kami dito ng mga 6:15. Hindi ko muna i-ready yung kids kasi ayan lang sila. Nanonood lang sila ng TV. There you go. That's their outfit, guys. Si Riker Kmart, Holly's Target. And then, buti may sandal si Harley na puti. Ayan yung kay Ben, oh. Si Zoe, suot niya rin na. Mga suot nila damit ko. Buti na lang marami akong brown.
No socks for IE, just
no socks, just
so pretty.
Sexy waka.
Okay, let's do this one again. It's okay, it's a very pretty shoe.
Ano yung kay Riker? Ito?
Yung Lord Jordan.
I did.
Come here, boy.
Ayan, we're on the way there, guys. Harley pagod yan mamaya kasi hindi natulog yan. Ito na, ang haba ng tulog niya. Pero siya yung mukhang pagod. Yung haba ng tulog mo pero ikaw yung mukhang pagod. Ay, nagkarahin ka. So, sabi ko na matutulog yan eh. Tingnan mo. Patulog na siya. Kawawa naman ang ate. Aww. Ay, Diyos ko. Oh my God, yun din sa aming susutin ko.
Nasa taas pa. Wala pa.
Hello girl, kamusta? Ayan, dito na kami guys. Nagising si Harley. Tulog na yan kasi. Nakatulog yan. Sa car. Ayan. Ito yung kaldereta tsaka beef stick. Isa lang in-orderan yan, di ba? Nagluto ka rin nag-order ka rin spaghetti. Ha? Ayan, tapos ang dami naming sweets. Ay, nagluto ka rin ng bilo-bilo?
Si Ate Maribel.
Ah, Maribel.
Hindi
Si
tayo
Ruby.
ilagay. Sabi ko ilagay mo na. Ba't sa na-group na naglagay ka?
Oh, meron pang Krispy Kreme ni Mary Grace. Protas. Busy kasi isa.
Hindi pa napapansin.
Next time at home, I can get changed.
Busy kasi nito.
4 times in a row, I'll get my brown shirt. I'll get it for you. Alright, here we go. Something's going on. So let me pick it, please.
Busy pa kasi si Ben. Ayan, mapapansin niya na yan.
What's up, Benny? Nice shirt, man. That's awesome.
Is that the same as yours?
That's really nice, man. That's good.
Same size. It's the same as your dad. Look, the logo.
Okay, the mic is here.
Hey,
Benny, you've got the same shirt. Can you believe it? That's
No, you
one of
don't
odds
do
of ours.
this is dangerous. You Filipinos.
Eastern Rats is kind of different.
Unless ay blended naman na siya.
That's not all wearing white shorts.
Tapos na kayo picture. Solo-solo naman daw. Tapos family na. Hi, Brad. Hi, Nicola. Ayan na. Hi, Brown family. Ayan na si Brad. Ayan ang ating foods, guys. Ang dami. Excuse me. Oh, inulit ko para sa inyo. Oy, ano ito? Nicole? Ay, sisig. Ha? Nicole Express. Ano ba to? Sisig. Sisig. Parang gulo na natin. Nahilo na. Uy, ang dami natin pagkain. Happy New Year. Meron pa tayong lechon bele. Yeah.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
Happy New Year! Ayan guys, kami sa labas. Magpa-fireworks na. Pero nag-start na nga yan eh, 9 o'clock eh. Ayan, mag-sparklers na yung mga wag daw, wag. Wag yung mga bata na. Si Harley, happy lang siyang tumingin. Pero ayaw niyang humawak ng sparklers. Sila mo si Kaden, ang cute. Yung anak ko, naka-D4 pa guys. Naka-D4 pa siya. Happy siya dyan. Guys, wine na tayo. Cheers! Happy New Year! siya sa akin. Kasi tumakbo kami kasi may fireworks sa labas. Nahuli na kami. Natakot ang anak ko. Yung nanay mo kasi itinansya lang. What happened? What happened? Oh, pa. Ah, wala ba si mama? Yung mga tita maglalaro na alas 11 na.
Next year, alam nyo na, 80 na.
A for airport. Asan yung topic? Ayan. Oh, may pag-games tayo. 20 yan. Kada hila mo, may prize ka agad.
Oh, cheese, grabe.
Mangwan! Mangwan! Nova pala, Nova. Nova. Ah, Harley's turn. Ah, hinila lahat.
Oh my God! Oh, sige, dito kayo. Oh, you can call it out.
You gotta pick one lang.
Oh, yeah.
You pull one.
Pick which color? Red. So we don't really have to move it, huh? Okay. Get away. Slowly.
That's it.
This one, hold on.
Zoe, careful.
This one,
What is that? Zoe, yeah. You have the same one. She wants the crayons. Get your daughter. Okay. If it's my crayon, we choose.
Oh, you choose Harley.
Pull it, Holly.
Pull it, Harley.
Pull it. Hey, what is that?
Whisk. Oh, she likes baking. She likes baking.
Baking kaya pala, bilang niya yung tao. Di ba?
Oh, pull it.
Oh, si Talia. Oreo. Just one. No, not all.
Gusto niya lahat. Gahaman. Tapos mapupulot niya sabgoy.
Which one is that?
Kay tita to. Mapupunta kay tita ko. Wow!
Ay!
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ah, yay!
Pumila ka namin! Tapos ka na, di ba? Wow, may yung pasasign na yan, makikita na siya. Ikaw na muna. Hindi ka pa muna.
Diffuser! Ang yaman!
Uy, bagay yan sa bahay mo. Ikaw na,
That's not working out.
sana spatula yung nakuha mo.
Pag-iuto na naman. Oreo! Oreo! Ang galing. Pang diabetes talaga.
Up to you, what you want? Ila.
Tingnan mo sa garage! Nasa garage na! Ang liit. Dahil pala kay Riker Plane yun.
Oh, kasha, di ba? Oh, kasha. Yes.
Ito na yung pamamas natin. Okay, take the fingers.
Because once you have them,
And start again.
place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
Go, Tom. You get it? Yeah. In green line, stop line. Ready and go! Go! Guys, ilang minutes na lang till midnight. Nasa ilalim ng lamesa yung dalawa.
Ready? We're ready!
Mag-wish na sila kahit sila ng 12 grapes. Good luck! Abangan sa susunod na kabanata.
Oh my God! I know! Manifesting!
Manifesting now.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! Woo! Woo! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Guys, kakain na naman kami.
Third plate ko na to. Third plate.
Fourth play na tayo.
It's my third plate.
Kaya na naman. Parobat na ako, guys.
Sino kumuha ng biscuit?
Kumain ako ng biko. Tapos ano, chicken. Thanks, madam. Bye. Happy New Year. Thank you for hosting. Bye. Nawala pa yung cover ng camera ko, so hanapin nila dito sa bahay nila. Hindi ko alam saan punta.
We'll get back on the mark.
See you guys.
Yes.
What day?
I don't know yet.
My birthday's tomorrow. Oh, really?
That's a wrap for 2024, guys. Happy New Year. Hope you have a prosperous, healthy, and happy New Year ahead. Good night to my kids.